one thing I'm looking at, I've talked about this before on EOG, is I'm looking to, particularly if these pull back here, maybe lighten up a little bit to add to Devon. So from the macro standpoint, these companies in the U.S. continue to look to maintain their oil production flat while returning all excess cash flow to shareholders in the form of either share buybacks or in the form of dividends, which in the case of EOG, they're returning 100% of their free cash flow back to shareholders. Diamondback, they're returning something just under 70% as they continue to pay down debt. But at the same time, they continue to expect reductions in costs. We continue to see efficiency gains on the drilling and completion operations, which continues to add value on the bottom line and the returns for these companies. So for these names, I continue to hold them. The one thing I'm looking at, I've talked about this before on EOG, is I'm looking to, particularly if these pull back here, maybe lighten up a little bit to add to Devon. In other words, I want to shift a little bit of my weighting, my overweight position in EOG over to Devon, just to kind of balance out the portfolio and having more of a mix in Devon, which I didn't own before the recent acquisition, but I've been nibbling at that and just sort of moving some of the EOG shares over to the Devon just to be more balanced here.